Hey viewers,
Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride
hey
today, so the
viewers,
seatbelt sign should remain off
welcome
for
to
most of the
Gaming with
flight.
Toyota
Thanks
Camry
for flying
here.
with us, and once
And
again, welcome
today,
aboard.
I'm just gonna tell you what happened to me back when, after that stuff happened. So, um, one of my parents got me a trip on the cruise. I didn't want to go on a cruise though, but they still wanted me to. So I didn't make videos for the past few days because I didn't have the internet. So I'm just wondering what to do. But still, y'all, like, still, it's still good though. I just haven't seen y'all in a long time. By the way, how are y'all doing? Is everyone doing great? I hope y'all are. So, I haven't made a video in the last 8 days because I was on a cruise ship and I wasn't connected to the internet, so I couldn't do nothing about it. And I'm back to give you new videos. You don't need to, like, unless you're new here, you can watch all the old videos. But if you're viewers that already know, I'm so happy that I'm finally releasing more videos. And this is Cabin Crew Simulator. You know, the game that we played for Releaser County. Greenville to Releaser County on a Uber vehicle. Yeah. This thing was cool. But I had to go on vacation. So now we're back. I'm just using the airplane thing or the airplane game as a thing on where I was. I'm back to give you all more videos, like more future ones, and enjoy watching the starter plane start taking off into the sky, and then I'm gonna end the video. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and watch the remaining of the video. Enjoy.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Guys, we're gonna be going to Dubai all the way to I don't know how to pronounce the name of the airport. So we're going to Dubai all the way to the HH. So I don't know how to pronounce it. Enjoy the video.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Keep seeing the boys. Like seeing the boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, This is your captain from the flight deck. Well, it looks like we might encounter severe turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, we're going to suspend the meal and beverage service. Flight attendants, to your jump seats immediately.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this thing never did this before. Whoa. Alright. Here. The plane's so shaky, I can barely do this. Come on, connect. Uh-oh.
This is your captain from the flight deck speaking. It looks like we are through the worst of the turbulence. Sorry about how rough it got. The aircraft is perfectly fine. The meal and beverage service can now resume. Thank you for your cooperation and patience.
That was some violent shaking, I'm not gonna lie. Pick up the suitcase. Place the suitcase in there and close the overboard.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival. Flight attendants, please ensure all passengers are in the brace position. Brace!
Hey, that was smooth. Oh, never mind.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode. Evacuate! Evacuate! Open the boarding door and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible.
Come on, get out. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh, yeah, this is the way.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a distraction on such flight. Thanks for flying with us. Yes,
Alright, we made it just in time. And yes, this is the place where we're going to. Y'all can slow that down in slow motion to see where we were going. We're gonna skip the taxi this time.
flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Alrighty viewers, you're not gonna see the second plane trip, but I hope you enjoyed the video.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions about my vacation, anything, I'll answer that down in the comments if you type it in. And we'll see you in the next one, Toyota Camry, for future videos. Bye everyone.